Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Nabil. So in this video, I would like to tell you guys to explain about EIGRP. So here in this video, in this session, I'm gonna explain how to filtering distribute list. So distribute list. So I will explain what is filtering distribute list, and I will explain how to use it. So let's start it. So this first EIGRP, as we know, is a dynamic routing in Cisco. So that's routing dynamic is that give you a chance that you don't have to make IP route each IP route. So that makes it easier. But sometimes some networks that we don't want to include in that routing, we should filtering. So this video will explain it. So first create this topology and make it start. So we're gonna need a tree router for the example. For the lab, this is the 1 second, and then the third. While waiting, so we are gonna make it an energy first, and actually this filtering is using an access list. So they are using access list actually, and then they will put in EIGRP routing and in distribute list. So I think that's it's gonna be easy. And then we have, and I have to make the IP address first. I forgot. So this router is gonna have loop back. So this is router 2 that has 2.02 loop back, and give it to the other one. And this is for router 1, and for the last router 3, give the loop back. No. 3. So already done. So we're gonna configure it. First, I want to config router 1 first. So it's gonna be take too long. Okay, we're done. Enable hostname, set the hostname first is router 1, and then go to the interface, no shutdown, then add IP address. So I'm gonna put 10 10.10.10.1 for this interface. And then we are gonna next to router 2. And enable concept hostname router 2 plus 0.0, then no shutdown, and the IP address 10 for 10 and 2. Oh yeah, don't forget about the subnet. I'm gonna use /24. If it's not, oh, I need more. You already, please check if the connection already good. Ping each other, do ping. So we are success here, and we'll continue to make to configuration other interface. No ESA 2020-2022. Don't forget the subnet /24 and right. And we're gonna next to router 3. So I'm gonna just telling fast as fast as I can. Enable const hostname @3, the pass A00, no SH, no shutdown, IP address 2020-2021. Don't forget the subnet. So we are done to config the IP address. So we are next to config the EIGRP, the routing EIGRP. So from there, I'm gonna use for administrative autonomous system is 10. Router EIGRP 10. Then network, advertise your network. Oh yes, I almost forgot that you have to input the loopback. Press L0, IP address 11111. And we are gonna use 32/32. Like it to in other router. Press L0, IP address 25. Done. And in router 3. Address. So after you done at loopback, so we can make the router EIGRP. EIGRP 10 network. Network. This is for the loopback. No auto summary. And right. And we are next in router 2. Router EIGRP 10 network 222 network 10 2 0. So later we're gonna have some notification here. So just recognize the video and right. And we're gonna next in router 3 and configure router EIGRP 10 network 2020-2021 0000 network 3332. Don't forget to add the loopback. So we are gonna have some notification again. So after we done finishing our configuration for in EIGRP, let's verification first. Do show root EIGRP. So we are here. The EIGRP is already run because as you can see it has loopback for 1111 222. So they're next in filtering redistribute this. So what I didn't want is in router 1 show IP route. I want to remove this network is 1111 or is 222 is loopback from router 2. So how gonna it work? So we are gonna using access list. Access list 1 deny 11111. We make the rule where 1111 2222, where is loopback 2 is denied. That we make the second rule to allow anything. So after done, go to router EIGRP and then distribute list 1. Why is 1? Because we make it access list in 1, and then we should add the interface in. So it's going to be in A0. So we are done. So let's do checking. Do the loopback from router 2 is still playable or not. Show IP route. See that there's no more loopback. There's no more network from router 2. So it means our ternary distribute is success. So this is how they work. So first we make the rules where we deny this loopback, then we permit any. Then after we make this rule, after we make the access list 1, we put it access list in router EIGRP. That. So let's remove them. Sorry, EIGRP10. No distribute list on and after that show IP route. We show it. Wait a second. As we can see here, the loopback from router 2 is already come back. So I think that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.